calculator to determine the decimal expansion of the square root of 7. Does the number appear to be rational or irrational? Like we talked about in number 7, rational means it repeats. If you do the square root of 7 on your calculator, it's about 2.64575131106, and it just keeps going, but it doesn't repeat. So since it doesn't repeat, it is irrational. The decimal expansion never repeats. And it cannot be written as a fraction when it has whole numbers in the numerator and denominator.